Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a pesto sauce. My sauce is protein packed. It's a keto recipe.
We need 160 grams of finely grated hard cheese. It's advisable to use parmesan, and it also contains a lot of protein. 60 grams of pine nuts. This is a very healthy, but quite expensive ingredient. You can replace it with pumpkin seeds. It's very healthy too. It's advisable to soak them in cold water for several hours in advance. 70 grams of olive oil. This can also be replaced with any of your fave oils. 2 cloves of garlic. About 50 grams of basil. Basil is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. You can use green basil, you can use purple. The color of the sauce will still be green. It differs only in brightness. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and half a teaspoon of salt. We combine all the ingredients with the blender. A homogeneous pasty consistency is obtained. If you add it to a very hot dish, then it will become more fluid due to the melting of the cheese. Pesto sauce will take a return and enrich any dishes with vitamins: meat, fish, pizza, vegetables, and salad. And of course, the pesto pasta is always amazing. This sauce harmoniously combines all 5 flavors, and that makes it so perfect. My version of pesto is completely similar in taste to the classic one. Differs in less fat and higher protein content. It's delicious and healthy. The full recipe is available in the description box below. Subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.